here in Colombia, it is the 24th of December and is like the official day that they celebrate Christmas. So we are going to like a mini holiday party, but along the way, I'm going to show you how the Colombians celebrate in this area. They all go to their family's house, and it's, as you know, Colombia is a very family-centered country, so most of them spend time with their families. And yeah, but you'll see like on the streets, they will cook on the streets, drink in the streets, and it's like more of a festivity, like a community inclusive, family oriented event. We are first having dinner at my friend's house for Christmas to celebrate, and they have this beautiful view and that I'm showing you right now. You can see all the lights, and because everyone here in Colombia puts out lights, and it's just like beautiful all over. So we're gonna have our little dinner first, and then I'm gonna show you how the Colombians celebrate Christmas. This is what expat do on Christmas.
Yeah. Drink. You drink, mate. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna go walk around the barrio here and show you like some of what they do here in Colombia for Christmas. Technically in the US Christmas Eve, but Christmas for Colombians.
That's a national sport here. You know when those balloons fall down?
So what is
They go and catch them.
That's the national sport. Who's gonna get the balloon? Look, 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 look. Woo! Look at everybody.
Oh no, it's gonna go. It's going. So apparently whoever gets the balloon wins.
Okay,
I don't know what they win, but they catch the balloon, but no one caught it because it went over the hill.
9 days before the 24th. So today's the last event.
Pray is like you pray like
They sing it mostly. This is how I learned Ben. Because there's a part when they go like Ben, Ben.
Yeah, we have different songs, but it's like prayers and songs and prayers and songs.
Yeah, but it's the story of Joseph and Mary, like going from, you know, I don't know what city to Bethlehem, where she gets
So like
birth
each
to
day
Jesus.
they have like a different prayer of like the day that has passed.
Yeah, like 9 days before the 24th.
Yeah, I didn't know it was for that long. Beautiful over here.
What's the name of this barrio?
Campo Amor.
Campamor. Of
He had it in Germany
So he
and brought it here.
Would bring would be the alcohol.
there, is that an okay rooftop for you? Or does it need to be higher? Yeah, exactly.
Look, that's a German, okay? That's all I have to say.
I love the German Shepherd.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah, it's all German. This is my favorite. What am I? Especially when you go to Pueblos.
Cars have to wait for you to.
Exactly. It doesn't matter how long. Yep. So people are like, move, move, move. I'm like, why?
And sometimes even if cars
The
honk
Santa
at you,
Claus,
people
yeah.
will get mad. Like,
Yeah. Exactly. Is it just my sidewalk? So it's not like this in Serbia?
no.
Usually in the house getting
Sí, muchísimas gracias.
You made a pretty good video. Good job.
Oh, yeah, you're like an expert.
He is.
And I'm like this.
No, no, if you see his videos on his channel.
YouTube?
No, on Instagram.
Muchas gracias. Muchísimas gracias. Feliz Navidad. Chao. Chao. Okay, so what we were stirring on the street was natilla. It's like this traditional Colombian dish that apparently that is how they make it as like the most traditional way. It's just like pudding. I say pudding, but I mean sure Colombia is gonna tell me that's wrong, but it's like that's the consistency, but it's like so good, it's sweet. It tastes amazing. But anyways, they're gonna start singing, so we left. Oh, they have fireworks. Christmas Day for them, tons of fireworks as you can hear. Ay, how fun! Okay, so I just showed you a typical Colombian Christmas. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you come visit Colombia on Christmas someday and you can experience winter without the snow. See you later. Bye.